Hi, selamat sejahtera Doktor. My name is Ng Tian Hee. Number matric is S5891A. My role is General Manager in our team. Our team consists of 6 persons. General Manager is Ng Tian Hee. Operational Manager is Yasimwan. Finance Manager is Limishan. Marketing Manager is Chong. Production Manager is Bonjulan. And Human Resource Manager is PHEH. Next is our team solution. Our team prepared 3 solutions. Is the 3R principle of eco-fashion: reduce, reuse, recycle, fabrics, uncycling, and repurposing, and the development of apps that collect data over the long run. But our team focus on the 3R principle of eco-fashion. This solution. Eco-friendly process includes collection, production, distribution, and application of the 3R principle. By attending the use of clothing and accoutrements, the 3R concept help reduce waste. Thank you.
My name is Limishan, matric number S5X718, which is the financial managers in this company. Project background. Fashionwear is a clothing apparel company which was established in the years of 2022. Private limited company. We're located at Kuala Lumpur, Selangor. Company sell the product slightly lower below the price at the market so that everyone can become confident because they had the chance to become fashionables. The main core values of the companies are using their creativities and innovation to constantly produce the high qualities and unique clothing so that their customer will loyal to the brand. The company's slogans access as the clothes are the spirit of the fashions. Fashionwear decided to use the blue colors as a main color for their logos because the most people like the blue colors. Company also believe the blue colors can evoke the feelings of the peace and the security, which make the company's employees become more productive and able to build the trust on the consumers of their brand. Visions. The vision statement of the fashion wear is that the companies try to empower the innovations and design by emphasizing on the carings of the environment. Our companies aspire to protect the environment by reuse the unwanted clothes to create the new kinds of the creative clothes. Nowadays, the fashion overconsumption among the younger generation has become very serious. When they see the new fashions of clothes released in the market, they will irresistible to make the purchase, although it's unnecessary for them. Therefore, there is a purpose of accessing unwanted clothes that bring the huge impacts on the environment, which is our main issue for this project. Most of the people will like the new ones and dislike the old, which means that the people will prefer to wear the latest fashions compared to the old, which is not popular although the clothes is still in new conditions. Then the process of disposing the fabric will have a very dangerous and huge impact on the environment. The company will then collect the unwanted textiles, which is still in good conditions, in order to reuse all the clothes to create the new fashions clothes and necessary. Fashions will also sell their own brands of the clothes, which has a unique design.
Selamat sejahtera Dr. ZUHA. My name is Yap Singwen and my metric number is S60046. My position in Fashionwear company is Operational Manager. I am in charge of managing the inventory of the collected clothes and I am responsible for designing and improving the process of recycling clothes. Next, I will talk about the objectives of Fashionwear company. One of the primary objectives of recycling clothes is to protect the environment. The fashion industry is responsible for a significant amount of waste and pollution, and recycling clothes can help reduce this impact. By reusing and repurposing textiles, we can reduce the amount of clothing that ends up in landfills, minimize the use of natural resources, and reduce the carbon emission associated with textile production. Another objective of recycling clothes is to conserve natural resources. The production of new textile requires significant amounts of energy, water, and raw materials such as cotton and other fibers. By recycling clothes, we can reduce the demand for these resources and conserve them for future generations. Last but not least, recycling clothes can also contribute to economic development. By creating a demand for recycled textiles, the recycling industry can provide job opportunities and stimulate local economies. Additionally, the reuse and repurposing of textiles can also provide options for those who may not be able to afford new clothing. That's all from me. Thank you.
Our team has developed 3 solutions, but the primary concern is central on the primary solution is 3R. Principle of eco-fashion, reduce, reuse, and recycle. So dependent on the ability of resources, we have selected this solution in order to find a good solution to our problem and achieve our goal in a timely manner with a significant impact. So, consequently, this is our primary solution. We can keep in clothes and accessories in use for longer, helps to reduce our waste, and can be reused by men and renewed. So, next I will talk about the process of eco-friendly. So, in this process, we have 4 steps: collect, produce, delivery, and apply. So, in this, by extending the use of clothing and coat treatments, the 3R concept will help us to reduce the waste and also will reduce our environmental impact. So, first and foremost, we will collect and examine the customers' discarded clothing for recycling. In addition, we will engage in operation management to transform inputs into outputs by using the sustainable materials that we have selected and reduce the waste during production to reduce the environmental impact of accessories and apparel. So they can be used by repairing and finding the new application for the clothes. So there are some unsuitable clothing is converted into fuel or insulation. Together with the United Nations Refuge Agency, non-governmental organizations, and non-profit organizations that we will collect gently used clothing from retail store and deliver it to refugee camps and disaster zones all around the globe. So, in this eco-friendly procedure, not only do we implement the 3R principles, but we can also assist those in need. So, as usual, the dress will be redesigned and reused with eco-friendly clothing. So, beginning our products, so we have recently initiated an aggressive garment recycling program. So, besides, I have prepared a video. Let's view it together.
They go to Spain, where first the buttons and zippers are removed. Then the jeans go through multiple shredders, chopping them into finer and finer pieces until they're fibers. The fibers are then carded and turned into roving. During this, it will also be blended with virgin cotton. Then it's spun into threads. The threads are dyed and woven into fabric, which is of course then sewn into new jeans. Now for recycling to be made into new jeans.
Our mission is to create the best product, reduce production waste, yield business to impact, and implement solution to environmental crisis and create exceptional value for our partners. Our team has 6 managers, which is General Manager TIAN, Operational Manager Xin-Wen, Finance Manager Lin Lishan, Marketing Manager Zhong Yi, Production Manager Bong and Human Resource Manager PHEH. Our team consists of talented individuals, each bring unique strengths to the table. From strong leadership and communication skill to strategy planning and technical expertise, we are committed to providing professional solutions while prioritizing environmental sustainability. Together, we aim to create exceptional value and inspire positive change in the fashion industry. Resource estimation is important for the successful completion of any object. Our team will utilize several key resources, including time, shareholder profit, equipment, utility, and local resources. For the time estimate, our target is complete the project within 1 year, taking into account its complexity and challenge. To proceed with the project, we require a capital investment of 100,000. When it comes to shareholder profits, we will put 19% of the profit equally among 6 managers, after deducting 10% of organization expense. Additionally, 15% of the profit will be deducted for one specific individual. In terms of equipment, we need 5 sets of computer, a software package, 6 sets of desk and chair, 2 sets of sharing equipment, 2 sets of pressing and ironing equipment, and a transmission system. The estimate cost for this resource are as follows. For utilities, we anticipate a monthly water bill of 40 ringgit and electricity bill of 360 ringgit. Moreover, the estimate monthly office rent is 2,000 ringgit. Accurate resource estimation is essential for effective project planning, risk management, and meeting stakeholder expectations. It allows us to allocate resources efficiently, minimize potential risk, and achieve project objectives.
Selamat sejahtera and hello, my name is Chong, matrix number is X00018 and my role is a marketing manager. In conclusion, the primary issue is the problem of essences unknitted fabric, which has massive consequences for the earth. Also, the founder of fashion well is intended to remedy the problem. The company has three objectives: to protect the environment, to conserve natural resources, and to help with the economic development. The more focused solution is to utilize the 3R principle or eco-factions: reduce, reuse, and recycle. The management has established a capital allocation plan to carry out the solution efficiently. As a recommendation, we suggest that the government and NGO to support and open more the businesses that are concerned with the environmental concerns and sustainability.